With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, which of the following gas always shows positive deviation from the ideal gas behavior? So, for showing positive deviation from ideal gas behavior, we understand the concept of compressibility factor. So, the compressibility factor has a formula of PV by nRT, right? This is the formula for the compressibility factor. When the compressibility factor is equal to 1, this happens in the case of ideal gases, right? This happens in the case of ideal gases because the formula now becomes PV is equal to nRT, right? This is the formula for ideal gases, right? Therefore, the compressibility factor is 1 for ideal gases. Whereas, if we talk about the real gases, so in the real gases, there can be two cases. One where Z is greater than 1. So when Z is greater than 1, what happens? PV becomes greater than nRT. And in this condition, the gases show positive deviation from the ideal behavior, right? When Z is greater than 1, it shows positive deviation from the ideal behavior. And when Z is less than 1, it shows negative deviation, right? It shows negative deviation from the ideal behavior, right? This is what the general trend says. Now, if we talk about, now generally, most of the gases have attractive forces, and for them, they can show negative deviation, right? And under certain temperature and pressure conditions, they can also show positive deviation. But there are two gases which are fixed and they always show positive deviation, and that is hydrogen and helium, right? Hydrogen and helium in normal conditions also show positive deviation from ideal behavior, right? Because in the cases of these gases, the repulsions dominate. Okay, in the case of these gases, the repulsions dominate and their Z becomes greater than 1, and they always show positive deviation. So these two cases, these two gases have always a fixed rule of having a positive deviation, right, in general conditions. So hydrogen and helium, they show positive deviation from the ideal behavior, whereas other gases generally show negative deviation, but they can show positive deviation also in given conditions, right? But we are not provided with any conditions. We know the general case, which is for hydrogen and helium. So the gas that is going to show positive deviation is going to be H2, and option 1 is going to be the correct answer for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.